People like me start block government, which is 5 million.
Let me finish. I was listening when you were asking the question. Everybody. We are not specializing on targeting members on the opposition and targeting on the government side. We are giving it to everybody. We are giving it to everybody. My record shows that you have given everything. Everything.
Order.
I cannot sit down.
Order.
You're talking rubbish.
Order.
This is 5 million block 1 district block isipik emigo piniso. You play holy mieto no God please enough you talk sabe na people block isipik you can harim. Nothing on Narbla district to isinda no like sabe only kisim desla. This is 5 million or no God.
So I have no answer to answer that very beautiful question from the governor. And I will get a comprehensive answer for him tomorrow.
This is a PIP.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. As Minister, I'm talking about sa Makata Province. The district is in Binis. Tomorrow, I'm coming from Pepa. I'm talking sa Lamibla. I'm province is in Binis. I'm district is in Binis. I'm talking about according to Kapan Palmi asking question. 3 black and money.
Your finance minister, you give me 5 million. As of today, makes 5 million. So thank you very much. I hope you give me some next week or after next week. But give me.
You know, it's a sad day for PNG when you missed up Lohiana. People will watch him, you mean Camera. One minister sanap na toka dos nado sol. Only give him 5 million kina. It's on hand side and the people of Papua New Guinea saw that. So the interesting question is how many of the government MPs were given 5 million kina today?
People like me start block government, which is 5 million. People like me start block government, which is 5 million.
Governor, ask your question.
Thank you. Ask him, katok sabi golong Kutla Minister blong Finance na mi lo make him easy also mi ask him lo fix na figures na mi current budget book long government ni kam na mi refer Minister golong Volume 3A Public Investment Program where need long department long sampla money ibini go inside where supposed long golong all province na all district need long 206 04860, you got Public Infrastructure Development Program where 220 million. Mipla or member of parliament have been talk right long last year for this year's budget, where all the provinces supposed to look in one plan, 10 million each. Now me like talk sabi also time me check long my for me looking also planting lo display payment you go out finish. Now people belong ECP like sabi also number one question. 10 million belong people belong ECP stop yet or you play give him lo sample and arbla line. Enough all people belong ECP harim stab. Suppose minister enough lo talk sabi. 10 million belong only go away. Number 2 ask him, long behind him can same budget book where account 206 058 06010 District Infrastructure Development Program where 480 million emi sit down where lo look sabi belong me desla money emi supposed lo go lo 11 district antap na abrusim desla PSIP na DSIP or something. So me like ask him this plan, ask him also. Me got 6 district inside long ECP province. This is 5 million block 1 district long ECP emigo piniso. You play holy mieto no God please enough you talk sabe na people lo ECP you can harim. Nothing on Narbla district to isinda no like sabe only kisim this plan. This is 5 million or no God. Me talk sabe kian also account 206 06412 District Infrastructure Kina for Kina program. 456 million. Total of over 1.1 billion kina where misina all bucket where stop underneath long. Look out long minister. There's like kina for kina 456 million. Enough minister talks away who side through ikisim inside of this parliament. So people all get I can sabe na people blow ECB too you can sabe. Awesome only got scale blow inside lo hapo no got because no good no budget he come back na people by put him saying something. Na giamani people belong ECB na people belong ECB by to giasa lo here. Now still now 4 more weeks where account closed. So me like sabe. Lo people blow ECB by come or no got. Now suppose no got in a good minister talk sabe why by you plan on not giving people belong ECB or something where you put him inside the budget well on name law. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. The Honourable Minister for Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Me taking this time lo talk thank you lo Governor of East Civic. These are appropriation bills that finance department normally pays to those who are appropriated inside the budget. The church, East Civic provincial government is entitled to receive 10 million. And your government was given 7 million already from my records.
Honorable Minister, you wish to seat. We have a point of order from
my point of order is that I think the minister is probably referring to PSIP. I have a full view of all the accounts in my province, from the provincial government all the way through to the PHA. I've got all the figures, and there is no such thing as a 7 million payment out of a warrant, out of a CFC, that would come from the account 04860. Looking.
Honorable Governor,
them can give me copy.
Your point of order is in order. I think that's the minister's response. I'll allow him to complete his answer.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Everybody is entitled to receive 10 million, including the Kina for Kina and infrastructure grants. And as my record shows, that every East Civic provincial urban members and districts have received Kina for Kina. My record shows that every members of parliament. Let me finish. I was listening when you were asking the question.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order. Let me allow him to raise his point of order.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
The honorable member for Amuri Draiki. Member, go ahead.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Sa Minister, I'm talking about sa Makata Province, the district is in Binis. Tomorrow, I'm currently preparing to talk sa Lamibla, Hamas Province, is in Binis, Hamas district is in Binis, sa Harmonia, I'm talking about. Ako din nakapan for me asking question. Three black and money. I'm giving more details for tomorrow, the paper, and we're going to look him.
Honorable.
That's my question.
Honorable.
People like me, Mr. Block government, Mr. 5 million.
Honorable Minister.
Thank you for that question as well. I've tried my best to give every member Kina for Kina and retired everyone. Those who are complaining here, those who stay in Mosby and not going into the electorate to spend those DSIPs and PSIPs, because almost 4 billion Kina, Honorable Governor, I was listening when you were asking me the question. Let me finish it first.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order.
Thank you. Me not asking lo PSIP or DSIP. Me asking you lo Capital Investment Program, PIP, Volume 3A, which is not PSIP, which is not DSIP. I am asking about Provincial Infrastructure Program, budget item 04860. This is not PSIP. This is not DSIP. This is a Provincial Infrastructure Program. Let me different.
Honorable Governor, thank you. Point of order, blue and order. I think I'll allow the minister to go ahead and respond.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Thank you for the supplementary question again from the Governor. Some of the PIP projects are part under national planning. Finance only manages the expenditure part of it. So I have no answer to answer that very beautiful question from the Governor. And I will get a comprehensive answer for him tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Minister.
This is a PIP. Even quite a kissing of one kina too. Now you prescribing low budget, the 2024.
People like me, Mr. Block government, Mr. 5 million.
Finance Minister, what's your point of order?
Well, they're always talking about DSIP and PSIP and all that stuff. This is a responsible government. We are retiring everybody. We are not specializing on targeting members on the position and targeting on the government side. We are giving it to everybody. We are giving it to everybody. My record shows that you have given everything. Everything.
Order.
I cannot sit down. I cannot sit down.
Order.
Talking rubbish out.
Order. Minister for Commerce.
Thank you. Finance Minister, you give me 5 million. As of today, Mr. 5 million, so thank you very much. I hope you give me some next week or after next week, but give me. Obviously later, you will sing up, but some of us, we are faith distributed me, 100% me sabotage me. People like me staff block government, Mr. 5 million. On your record, you will see.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order. Member for Agao, what's your point of order?
Minister has scared me with his announcement that he received 5 million kit today.
How many of them receive 5 million?
That's on hindsight. Is this the culture we are fighting for?
Nice stability.
Is that what you mean by stability?
By stability.
Honorable Minister, you can explain your debate.
Start me to thank you. The SIP you give me plan. Me plan work law district. Na nipa fully supporting distribution, fairly distribution blue. I'm not with the government, I'm not with the opposition, but I'm just talking because we are all equal. So we need to get our DSIP, PIP.
Governor for ECP.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Number one talk, me like talk. Thank you, Lord, you give him chance long. Harim nek lol, people blow ECP. Plenty money call him them long. Somarena, mi harimna. Only like using this floor some justification as to why we need more stability. You know, it's a sad day for PNG when you stop lohiana. People all watching you lo camerana. One bla minister sanapna toka do senado sol. Only give him 5 million kina. It's on hand side and the people of Papua New Guinea saw that. So the interesting question is, how many of the government MPs were given 5 million kina today? No, we just heard it from a minister, Mr.
Prime Minister.
It's on the hand side.
People like me staff block government, Mr. 5 million.